Hi friends, welcome to Java T Tech channel. So today's topic is how you can register for OCP 11 Java to get the certification from Oracle, right? So nowadays it was mandatory for all who were working on software like to have the certification from Oracle to work in a great project, right? So okay, uh, we can start. So first of all, I will tell like we have to go Oracle on view is there, right? So we'll go to Oracle on view, and I have added one link in my description, so we can copy that link also, so to go to that particular link. So better we can go through this link. Okay, the first option is Oracle on view exam information, so we'll click on that. So this type of interface will come, so don't be bothered, just go to down, and then there is a need to schedule, reschedule or cancel the exam, like whatever you have added we can cancel. So I think there is a note, so we have to cancel before 24 hour. So if you added like one you have, if you schedule one exam by providing the money, so don't be bother, we can cancel also. But that should be before 24. I think, I'm not sure, but yes, 24 hour before. And you can reschedule also. And yeah, then you need to click the manage exam appointment. So okay, then it will come to, do you have an exam appointment? So actually no, because we are going to register first. So then we have to go to into login card view, where you can get the all the exams, right? So but before that, we should have a one Oracle account. If you don't have the Oracle account, just click on this create Oracle account. So if you'll click on that, so I can get like this interface. So create my Oracle account. If you'll go over there, then see what will happen. So it will asking for your email address and password, everything you have to give your credentials. Then your Oracle account will be created. But yes, I have already. So I can go to the card view phase. So here two option is the login to card view, another is log a ticket. So my next video will be a log a ticket. So don't forget to subscribe to get the notification. So this is something like when you got the clear the exam, to get the certification. And what are the status of my certificate we can get from log a ticket. So I will explain on the next video, but today's topic is like how to register. So I'll go to log into card view. Yes, so it was asking me for my credentials. So without wasting time, I'll give. So okay, I think it will work. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. Now we are in the, okay, yes. So right now we entered in the dashboard, where we can get all the courses. So just before sometime I just purchased this exam, right, for Java 11. But then don't to be worry, I can explain the step by step what needs to be done. So here actually my account is there, where you can get your profile, like what is your address, what is your company name, you can get from here. And also preference, exam history, whatever you have cleared or cancelled, every history will be there. And my receipt, in the sense how much you are expending on this, like how much bill you are deposit data for the Oracle certificate. That history will be shown here. So yes, so I will go to then view exams, and down in the down, you can get, yeah, it's not showing to me. So but if you are new to that one, you can see the all exams. So you can go to the view exam first. Okay. Okay, so here, uh, type your code, exam code. Actually, whenever your company are requesting to get some certification, they will provide one code. Okay, like this should be, you have to clear, right? So for Java 11, I think 819, I guess, yes. And if I will write 808, then it was for Java, you know, 8. So 819. See, there are two options is there, right? So one is 819, another is 819J. This is J is the sense Java Oracle people added, like for one offer. So nowadays, Oracle have 25 fifth of anniversary, so they have providing some offer on that. So but both are same exam, and all the things are same, but if you go through this, then you can get the offer, right? So you can actually take the exam within 2 to 3,000 only, whichever I have done. So better we can, I just we can go. I'll prefer that we have to go on this. Okay, but I want to show you how to register, so I will go through this. Okay, because I have already added this one. So yeah, I will go 819. Okay, then we have to click on go. And I will tell one more thing, like there is, don't be confused on OCA and OCP. Both are, like OCA in the sense it will be associate level, some basic level, and OCP in the sense it's a professional level. Okay, so and don't be bother like if I will got the certificate from OCA, then after only I will handle the OCP. In some courses it will be mandatory, but in this case of Java 11, that is not necessary. Okay. Okay, so next step will be how do you want to take your exam? So at a local test center, or online from my home or office, or I have a private access code. I will recommend second one, as we are doing work from home nowadays, right? So yes, online from my home. Yes. Then we have to click the next. Fantastic. To take to take this exam in an online environment, please agree the following term and condition. So please, I request to all, go through these conditions, whatever the terms, and accept. I think four conditions are there. Yes, four. So they're mentioning like how your internet should be, like how to your camera should be a web camera, and this kind of, whatever the term and condition they are mentioned. So just go through this one and click on next. Yes, so yeah, global, what is your language? You prefer to now proctor to speak. Yes, you have to choose the English. Global English is there. Then I have to go on next. Okay, then we'll got the page where you can schedule our like exam when did. So let's take, I will on Friday 9th. Then you have to choose the 12th hour or 24 hours. You know this one. I don't no need to tell much about that. So suppose I am taking 12:30 p.m. Okay, then you have to choose the time also. Yeah. So finally, we got one review like whatever we have added, right? So exam code will be 1J0819. Language is English, and exam length will be 90 minutes. Okay, so appointment is like Friday April 9th. Whatever you have mentioned it will be, but point is we scheduled at a 12:30, right? But we got the check-in time will be 12, as there are so many things they'll do, like they will check your environment, anyone is there or not, you are doing are you doing and checking or not. So they will check that. So you have to log in before half an hour, right? So is he here price is 18,538. Okay. So whenever you are scheduling one exam of Java 11 or any kind of things, so you have to pay this many more rupees. But in the case of offer, I shown you na that code is, including J. In there it was 2000 something, 2000 something, yes, within under 2200. So and they have calculating some tax, estimated tax, and the total will be 2000 21,874. Okay, so just check one. So if you will you want to change the appointment, then you can change over here. Change appointment is there. Okay, we can add also another exam. Yeah, sure. So okay, then we can proceed for to check out and go through this also, because this is the main point. What should we follow? Giving example, giving to exam, operating system, display, how it would be, internet connection. And my suggestion will be, if they are asking which kind of internet you are using, just give the answer like I am using the broadband connection. Don't tell I am using mobile, or Geo5 something small. So they will disconnect your exam within 10 seconds. Okay, so then, yeah, I have to accept this one. Yes. Now, see, your order total will come this many money, and here is the option to give your card details. I will not proceed further. Okay, but point is we have to choose American Express, JCB, Mastercard, Visa. So I think will be common to all of us. So you can choose one card. Then you have to give your card number. You know how to push it off this. You give your CCV, CVV. Then come down. Then you have to click the next. And after that, one OTP will create. You know how to do. Then finally your register will be done. And I can show you like how it will be shown. So I can show you with just a second. I can show you. Yes, like this. Yes. So that like appointment and registration ID will be one. Registration ID will be create, and status is purchased. Then after half an hour or 1 hour, you will got one confirmation mail. Whatever you have given in the creating of Oracle account. So I think this will be enough for you to register. I think that's it. If you feel like this is enough for you, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.